Hello everyone, welcome to second language English basic grammar. Today let us learn the topic adjective visheshana. An adjective is a word which describes a noun or a pronoun. ಯಾವ ಶಬ್ದವು ನಾಮಪದ ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ವನಾಮವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ವಿಶೇಷಣ ಎನ್ನುವರು. There are two types of uses. First one is attributive use, second one is predicative use. First one, attributive use. An adjective used with a noun is known as attributive use. Example: beautiful girl, nice book, clever student, tall tree, lovely flower, fair face, worrying problem, large building. Second one, predicative use. Example: an adjective used with a verb is known as a predicative use. Example: she is afraid, they are dead, he is alive. Kinds of adjectives. ವಿಶೇಷಣಗಳ ವಿಧಗಳು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, adjective of quality, ಗುಣವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, adjective of quantity, ಪರಿಣಾಮವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, adjective of number, ಸಂಖ್ಯಾವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ adjective, ಸಂಕೇತವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ adjective, ವಿಭಾಗವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. Sixth one, interrogative adjective, ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್, ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ adjective, ಷಷ್ಠಿ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಏಯ್ತ್ ಒನ್, emphasizing adjective, ಬಲಾತ್ಮಕ ಎಂಫಸಿಸ್ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ನೈನ್ತ್ ಒನ್, exclamatory adjective, ಉದ್ಧಾರವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಟೆಂತ್ ಒನ್, proper adjective, ವಿಶೇಷನಾಮ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, adjective of quality, ಗುಣವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. An adjective used to talk about the quality of a person or a thing is known as adjective of quality. Example: wealth, regional, industrial, fundamental, elementary, primary. Example: Telugu is a regional language. He is a wealthy person. Visakhapatnam is an industrial city. Second one, adjective of quantity, ಪರಿಣಾಮವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. An adjective used to talk about the quantity of things is known as adjective of quantity. Example: little, much, enough, no, any, whole, some, all, great, half, sufficient. Example: there is a little milk in the jug. My father earned enough money. He showed much courage in the war. Third one, adjective of number, ಸಂಖ್ಯಾವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. An adjective used to talk about the number of things or persons is known as adjective of number. Example: 5, few, no, many, all, some, most, several, first, any, one. She wrote 6 pages for her BA. Only a few people are kind to the poor. I got first class in my BA. Kinds of adjectives of number. Cardinals, which shows number. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 1000, etc. Second one, ordinals, which shows order. Example: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 100th, etc. Third one, indefinite, which shows no particular number or order. Example: all, no, any, many, few, some, certain, several, etc. Fourth one, demonstrative adjective, ಸಂಕೇತವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. An adjective used to point out which person or thing we speak about is known as demonstrative adjective. Example: this, that, these, those, such. Example: this book is very interesting. That girl is very beautiful. These flowers are lovely. Fifth one, distributive adjectives, ವಿಭಾಗವಾಚಕ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. An adjective used to refer to each and every person or thing separately is known as distributive adjective. Example: each, every, either, neither, any, none, both. Each boy was awarded a diploma. Every Indian is entitled to adult franchisee. Every citizen should love his motherland. Neither party has got majority in the recent elections. Neither country accepted the treaty. Sixth one, interrogative adjective, Prashnarthaka Visheshana. An adjective used to question is known as an interrogative adjective. Example, what, which, whose. What advice shall I give you? What language do you teach at college? Which places do you wish to visit? Which poet do you like most? Whose photograph is this? Whose handwriting is this? Possessive adjective, Shasti Visheshana. An adjective used to talk about ownership or possession is known as possessive adjective. Example, my, your, our, his, her, its, their. My mother is a teacher. Our father, your father is a doctor. Our country is India. His wealth was lost. Her husband died in an accident. All their daughters were married last year. All their daughters were married last year. Emphasizing adjective. Balatmaka Visheshana. An adjective used to emphasize a noun is known as emphasizing adjective. Example, I saw it with my own eyes. That was the very book I was looking for. Ninth one, exclamatory adjective, Uddarvachak Visheshana. The word what is known as an exclamatory adjective. Example, what a beautiful, what an insult, what a tragedy. Tenth one, proper adjective, Visheshanama Visheshana. Example, an adjective derived from a proper name is known as an proper adjective. Example, Indian Army, English grammar, American president, Russian parliament. Note, adjective of quality answers the question of what kind. Example, he is a brave boy. What kind of a person? Adjective of quantity answers the person how much. I earned enough money. How much money? She gained much experience. How much experience? Distributive adjective refers to each person or thing. Example, she comes here every day. I want to read every book. Demonstrative adjective points out to a particular person or thing or answers the question which. These mangoes are tasty. Which mangoes? These. Those books are very interesting. Which books? Those. Possessive adjective answers the question whose. This is my house. Whose house? My house. Padma is her daughter. Whose daughter? Her daughter. Interrogative adjective makes a question. What books do you refer? To which state do you belong? Which city do they like? Thank you.